So Bobby's been wanting a Polaris Ranger.
Blame it on me.
You have been.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
She wants to ride the Ranger from the house down to her chicken coop into her garden. So I randomly went on IEA. I'm like, it'd be cool to find one that's wrecked because a new used one goes for about 20 to 23 on Marketplace. Lo and behold, in 22 minutes, there's one in Spokane, which is where I live, that needs suspension work and it needs a windshield. So I'm gonna try to bid on it and see if we can snag this thing for, it'd be nice to get it around 9. It's at 6,600 right now. So if we get it around 9, that'd be a deal. Turbo kit is $5,000. Lift kit, the 6-inch that Bobby wants,
Absolutely not.
is another $3,000. It needs doors. I'm new to the whole side-by-side thing, like the utility thing. So the XP Premium doesn't have doors, but the North Star does have doors. So I'd have to buy doors so Bobby stays warm. Buy a heater, which is 400 bucks. The doors are about $2,000 for a nice set. I got it all planned out here in the last 30 minutes. So hopefully I can win it. Tonight we'll pick it up. I don't know if it drives all that nice because it needs some arms, but I'll still take it for a rip.
Hey, Devin.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
You're good.
The Polaris is up in 3.
Okay. Max 10, but preferably lower, obviously.
Yeah, it's at 66.
Okay.
The reserve is off, but we're at 9,000. And we're at 94. 99. Do you want to go 10-3?
Let's go 10.5.
Okay.
Which clearing did you get?
I think that was our magic number there.
Oh, come on.
Yes. Okay, so we got it for 10,150.
Oh, sweet.
Nice.
Just over what I wanted, but that's perfect.
Right.
Okay.
So, and the reserve came off, so I'll send you totals here shortly, okay?
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks, and good to hear from you.
Yeah, likewise. Take care.
Right.
Bye. A little higher than I wanted, but 10.1. Provided it ain't hammered. That's the thing. You never know from photos. Does it even run? Does it start? 10 grand for probably a hunk of metal. That's not gonna run.
No, that's a lie.
The best part is it's in Spokane, so we can literally pick it up maybe tonight. If not tonight, then tomorrow.
We should try to get it tonight.
I have a car I need to unload first. Actually, I wonder if I could cram it in the back behind the car. I might be able to. Well, you're looking at the proud new owner of a Polaris Ranger. Rebuild coming.
10,000.
Premium. There's nobody here. Just a few people here. So it's 2 days later. Obviously we won the Ranger and now we're here in Spokane to pick it up. So ideal. I'm really concerned because it said the estimated repair cost is like 15 grand. My estimated repair cost is a couple $100. So there's a big difference there. I guess we'll see here in a minute. What do you think?
I'm a little bit nervous too.
I mean, I can blame it on Austin because he's the one who looked at it on his computer
We'll
for
just
us.
make Austin pay for it all.
Right?
Right.
Alright, let's go check.
Right.
Look at all this garbage. Come on, IEA. Do better. Dude, we got here like 2 minutes ago and it's already here. Look at this.
Wait, why is it?
There's your new rig.
Wait, honey, it's not on. Buddy, that's nice.
That is nice. Let me go up a little bit. Oh yeah, I might have to drive it in.
I'm thinking it might be a little bit too tall. Is it too tall?
I didn't know it was that tall.
Me neither.
Hopefully it fits like at all. What the flip? Dude, first cold start for the boys on a 2025 Polaris Ranger.
Is the exhaust back there or what?
It's got electric power steering, that's for sure.
Bad to the bone.
How is this $15,000 to repair? Literally, vent control arms, cracked windshield.
This thing is really tall.
What? Steel.
This thing is bad to the bone, as my dad would say. That's a nice shot right there.
Clear?
I don't know. I don't think it's gonna clear. Honey, it's not gonna clear. It's not gonna clear. I don't know. Come and look at it.
Ah, Rick, it ain't gonna clear, dude.
Look it. So, like you said, that top might come off. You have any tools on you?
All right, I gotta pull the top. I had no idea this thing was this tall.
It's massive.
Dude, I wonder if it does wheelies. Oh, it needs a mirror too. That's where the 15 grand is at. Hey Eli, what's up, man?
What's up, Devin?
Quick question slash favor. So I just picked up a side-by-side at IAA right down the road from your shop. It's too tall to fit my enclosed trailer. Could I just rally it up to your shop real quick and leave it there and go get a flat?
Yeah, no problem. If you're just gonna like leave it there, then we got a gravel pad right next to the propane tank.
Okay.
That's probably the...
Sounds good. Thanks, Eli. I'm going on a rip. So either we're gonna pull the top off or go get my brother Austin's flatbed trailer because it ain't fitting in the enclosed as is.
Devin? Oh.
I need about an inch. If I air out the tires, it'll give me about 2 inches. It just might take a minute, but it's way quicker than going 30 miles one way to get a freaking open trailer. That's a fact. We should have brought the dump trailer.
That's hilarious. Honey, I'm so cold. I gotta go inside.
I just buy you a Ranger and you can't help air out the tires. Fine, it's my Ranger. You don't get it. Grab a rock.
Devin has me on rock.
Air it out, buddy. Air it out. We got a ways to go. Airing out the tires is taking way too long, so I'm grabbing some ratchet straps and I'm compressing the suspension. You get pretty good?
Do I need to stand in here or out there?
I don't care. I just want to scuff the roof, even though I'll probably roll it tonight.
Bring her in. That's the beauty. I like the front wheels.
Dude, I'm an engineer.
Come on in, bud. Hold it there. Hold it there.
I might have to ratchet it back.
Because I can't see. No. Still good.
Dude, I'm an engineer.
I can't really see.
Watch go till it makes noise.
You're Gucci. You're Gucci. I need to stop saying that. I'm gonna say it again. She's bad to the bone.
I bet you didn't know you're married to an engineer.
I did. Honey, I'm really cold.
I know. We all are. If you're cold, I'm cold.
You're never cold. Is that a speaker up there?
Yeah. We got the Ranger in the shop and all the new parts are showing up later today to get this thing completely fixed up. Before we get it on the lift, let's get her cleaned up. All right, I got her all cleaned up. This thing is in pretty much brand new condition, which is what you'd expect with the amount of miles that it has. After ripping it around a few times, we're at 311.5 miles. That is ridiculous. Let's get this thing on the lift. The first thing that we need to fix, and the only thing suspension related that we need to fix, is the driver's front lower A-arm or lower control arm. In total, this thing has 3 issues: bent lower control arm, cracked windshield, and a broken mirror. That is it. Why this thing was ran through auction with that little of damage is insane. So I got the bent arm off. Here's a little side by side. You can see there is supposed to be a bend in the arm, but not that much. That's a bit excessive. Now I need to go ahead, pull off the lower ball joint and both of these bushings here, get them installed in the new OEM arm, get it back together, and the suspension should be fixed. So I went to toss on the control arm, noticed that the rear lower mount was a little bit tweaked. So I got that tweaked back into place, and now that thing is ready to go on. First issue and the biggest issue is now resolved. New front lower control arm is installed. Up next is replacing the windshield. Now the cool part about these, it's not like a vehicle, like a car, where they're glued in. These windshields are fully bolted in. All we need to do, pull out a few bolts, windshield comes out, new one goes in, and we're done. The windshield I picked up is from Rough Country. It is a vented, scratchless windshield. The new windshield is in. Just straps in right here with the Rough Country straps. So it's easy to remove, easy to install. Next up, we need some mirrors. Just like the windshield, we are running a set of Rough Country aluminum mirrors for the Ranger. Safe to say these are a little bit nicer than the factory plastic junk. Full billet aluminum mirrors. Man, those things are nice. They do mount just like the factory, clamp onto that rail. Let's get these things installed, and the Ranger will be back to pretty much factory condition. Unfortunately, the mounts where they mount to the cage were a little bit different, so I had to use the mounts that were on here and use the new Rough Country mirrors. That's all good to go. This thing is all finished up. Let's get her loaded up, transport it back to the house, get it unloaded, and see what the wife thinks. Fits you well.
Welcome to the homestead.
Let's go for Ripski. Pissy's new favorite thing to do is chase the side-by-side. If you go really fast, straight, you can catch air. I did it a few times.
We're not going straight, buddy. Hold on tight. I hate when you go.
This thing rips.
Hey, we're gonna take a trip down to the river. If he would stop going in front of me.
Just hit him once and then you'll never hit him again.
Oh my gosh, dude. Get out of my way. Where's the horn?
Are you liking this thing or what?
This thing is bad to the bone.
I know. It's pretty handy.
Just in case I got to do my farm tours down here. Have they even been down here on your channel?
I don't know. Maybe once.
Why don't you show them around?
I am right now.
With our deer that's next to it. Okay, we've made it to the end of the property.
Holy crap, that river's pretty high.
Oh, he's gonna be soaking wet. I didn't realize he's gonna go in.
Holy crap, in the middle of winter.
Go get him! Piston, go get him! It's so cold.
No way.
Go get him, Piss. Get the fish. Doesn't matter if it's warm out, I guess.
Are we gonna catch air?
No.
Just a little bit of air. A little better now with that new control arm on.
A lot better.
I can actually crank the wheel.
Devin.
It rips.
Yeah, it does, but piston will literally stop.
Hey, that moved. I don't know who made this freaking wiper arm, but it sucks. Look at that butt in action.
Devin.
I'm faster than you! Dude, that thing moves. Holy crap, that's a fast dog. For how fat he is.
Oh my gosh.
You like that?
I mean, I guess.
It's not really a jump type of
No.
side by side, but hey. The end.